While college students need to balance attending lectures, friends, family, and assignments, it can be very easy to overlook the critical importance of building their career path. However, in today's competitive economy, it is crucial that students make an internship a top priority. Noor knew this fact at an early stage of her undergraduate years at AUC.
Okay, so when I was a freshman, I took a job that wasn't related to my major. I just wanted to work. It was in Vodafone UK. I worked in the technical support. I knew that I don't want to do customer service ever in my life. And then I decided I went for a treasury department, one of the banks. I thought, okay, it's fine, but I wasn't very passionate about the work environment. Then I went to a company. It was more of a research internship where you do economic research and desk research and stuff. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, well, from 5 to 6, actually 7 internships. So initially, when I majored in finance and economics, I was so interested in investment banking. Then I got introduced through the Career Center and several friends about the management consulting field. When I first got the call that I got it, I was shocked. I was like, what? And I was like, my breath went away, and then the recruiter was laughing on the phone. I just didn't believe it.
The idea of doing internships is not merely to enrich your work-related experience, yet they are also a journey of self-discovery.
A student who has done an internship is different than a student who hasn't done an internship. For example, if someone wants to work in a bank, they interned in a bank and then they apply for a job in a bank. Now the banking person, the HR person knows, okay, you tried banking before, you like it, okay, I'm going to give you a shot at an interview. But if someone has never worked in a bank before and they're applying for banking, then they're not sure whether they will actually like it or not, whether they will stay or not. So it serves in so many different ways.
Not only internships, the Career Center at AUC is committed to provide students with a solid foundation of career development principles and different employment services.
And we also have competitions and challenges. So this also offers students of all majors, variety of majors, it's not specific to one major, opportunity to gain hands-on experience and to explore other areas that they might be interested in, but it's not specifically in their major. So, for instance, an engineering student might be interested in marketing or finance, so they can participate in a competition that is themed under the finance competition or a marketing competition. So they can get this exploration. And the same thing for political science or history or physics students. They have this opportunity to participate in many of the competitions that are offered that are not limited to a specific major.
For internships, of course, they have to have resumes. So we have workshops at the Career Center. We serve them in groups. So we have resume writing workshops, cover letter workshops, interviewing workshops, and they need all these. Sometimes companies want cover letters for internships. So they have to write a good resume, they have to write cover letters, go for interviews. They have to search for internships as well, because sometimes we are offering a pool of internships, but it doesn't fit what they want. So they have to go find for themselves. So we teach them how to use social media in finding and how to network. So we have all kinds of workshops that we do, but we also serve one-on-one. So we have advising appointments in all these areas as well. So students can meet with us one-on-one to discuss their resume, if they're looking for internships and they don't land one, they can schedule an internship search appointment.
We asked an employer about how to succeed in turning an internship opportunity into a full-time job offer. We found that students actually need to develop certain kind of skills that are not really work or study related.
This would be my advice if you wanted to turn your internship opportunity into a job opportunity at Vodafone. Make a lot of connections, network a lot. If you know people within the company and they believe in you, they will somehow try to hire you either within their team or in someone else's team. They would definitely recommend you, they would refer you, they would fight for you. So this is a key thing that you would do if you join Vodafone as an intern, if you want to actually be hired and continue your work here at Vodafone.
One of the things that I think helped me receive an offer is that I tried to mingle with the people as much as I can. So I approached people, I tried to befriend them. We went for lunch together, not only doing your job at the right time, sticking by deadlines, but also being part of the culture, trying to be engaged with the people, trying to know them, to get to know who they really are, not just as robots who are just doing some tasks, actually helped a lot.
While it's considered very early for freshmen to start hunting for internship opportunities, juniors and seniors are advised to get this kind of experience to better know their preferences and plan ahead their future careers. Maha El Rayess, AUCTV, New Cairo Campus.